Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a kind and hard-working farmer named Ramu. Ramu was known by everyone in the village for his gentle smile and helpful nature. He lived in a small mud house with a thatched roof. Though he was not rich, he was always happy and thankful for what he had. Every morning, before the sun rose high in the sky, Ramu woke up early. He cleaned his house, fed his cow, and then went to the river to bring water. Water was very important for his daily work, cooking food, washing clothes, and watering plants. Ramu had a strong wooden stick. At both ends of the stick, he tied two big clay pots. He balanced the stick on his shoulders and carefully walked to the river every day. One of the pots was new, smooth, and shiny. It was very proud of itself because it could carry water without losing even a single drop. The other pot was old and cracked. A thin crack ran down its side, and because of this crack, water slowly leaked out as Ramu walked back home. The shiny pot always reached home full of water. But the cracked pot reached home only half full. The cracked pot felt very sad. Every day, it watched water dripping from its crack onto the dusty road. It felt ashamed and weak. The shiny pot often thought to itself, "I am perfect. I do my job well. I am better than the broken pot." One morning, while walking back from the river, the cracked pot finally gathered courage and spoke to the farmer. "Dear farmer," said the pot in a soft and sad voice, "I feel very sorry." Ramu was surprised. "Why are you sorry?" he asked kindly. The cracked pot replied, "Because of me, you get less water. I leak water all the way home. I am broken and useless. You should replace me with a new pot." The shiny pot listened silently and felt proud. "Yes," it thought, "I never fail." Ramu stopped walking and smiled gently at the cracked pot. "My dear pot," he said, "do not feel sad. You are not useless." The cracked pot was confused. "How can that be?" it asked. "I cannot even do my work properly." Ramu said nothing more that day. He simply continued walking. The next morning, Ramu again went to the river with both pots. As they walked back, he spoke to the cracked pot. "Look carefully at the road on your side," he said. The cracked pot looked down. It saw something wonderful. Along the side of the road where it walked every day, there were beautiful flowers, red, yellow, blue, and pink. Butterflies danced around them, and bees buzzed happily. The cracked pot was surprised. Then Ramu said, "Now look at the other side of the road." The cracked pot looked at the shiny pot's side. There were no flowers there. The land looked dry and empty. Ramu smiled and explained, "I knew about your crack from the very beginning. So, many months ago, I planted flower seeds along your side of the road. Every day, as you leaked water, you watered those seeds. Because of you, these flowers grew." The cracked pot felt warm and happy inside. Ramu continued, "Every day, I pick these flowers. I decorate my home with them. I offer them at the temple. Sometimes, I give them to villagers to make them smile. You helped all this happen." The cracked pot's sadness slowly disappeared. "I never knew," it said softly. "I thought I was only wasting water." Ramu replied, "No one is useless. Everyone has a purpose. Even our weaknesses can bring beauty into the world." The shiny pot felt a little quiet. For the first time, it understood that being perfect was not everything. From that day on, the cracked pot felt proud of itself. It no longer cried about its crack. Instead, it felt happy each time water dripped out, knowing it was helping something grow. Days passed, and seasons changed. The flowers continued to bloom year after year. Travelers walking on that road often stopped to admire the colorful path. Some even said, "This is the most beautiful road in the village." The crackpot smiled silently. One day, a small child walking with his mother asked, "Who made these flowers grow here?" Ramu smiled and said, "My broken pot did." The cracked pot felt happier than ever. It understood an important lesson. Being different is not bad. Being broken does not mean being useless. Sometimes, our flaws help us do things that perfection cannot. Moral of the story: everyone has weaknesses, but they can turn into strengths. Never feel sad about your flaws, they make you special. You don't have to be perfect to make the world beautiful. Remember, just like the broken pot, you matter exactly the way you are. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more new stories.